everybody, so we're back in the shop this morning getting the Viper ready to go for Sebring this weekend, and probably this video will be coming out on Saturday, and we will actually be at the track down there. So we are doing some changes, making some camber changes on it with the camber slugs, and then also saw that the upper, let's see if it'll show, this mount right here had a little bit of slop in it, so we're making some machined plates that are going to go over this that'll weld on, and it'll hold the bolt perfectly where the upper control arm attaches to the chassis, and it'll make our camber settings more consistent when the upper can't move around. I'm not sure that it was moving around, but I don't like that it, every time we take that upper stuff loose, that it changes all of the camber settings. So, because a lot of times we swap a diff at the track and take the upper control arms off, and if I can speed up the time that it takes us to put the car back together after making changes, it just helped us out while we're at the track. So between that, Zach's been working on extending the front splitter, which you can see where he made this piece here. Did a nice job on all of the bolts attaching it, fasten really closely. These, I've got some shorter bolts coming in for this today, where the front edge attaches of the regular splitter. You can see the new grille screens we did, so that's all nice. The new rotors are coming in tomorrow, so we'll get all that put on. I wanted to make some changes to the wing, like actually move it up and a little bit further back, but I'm not gonna have the time to do that before we go for this test. So should be getting close. Be a little bit of work today. We'll be thrashing on it pretty hard, but bumper will go back on pretty quick, and from there, then we're gonna make some carbon fiber pieces that we had some kind of plasticky stuff that deformed over time. So where the bumper curves under here, we're gonna make a flat filler piece that fills this in real nice. It should look pretty trick too, being in carbon. So I guess we'll check back in a little bit. All right, everybody, so we're back wrapping up the Viper to get it out today to leave for Sebring this afternoon, and doing the final touches on some things. You can see splitter extension that we did looks a little different now. It's down, kind of down at ride height, and then we did these little carbon fiber closeouts on the thing, and then I figured you guys might want to see how we do our restrictors. So this is the restrictors that we were running. We had a pair of those. 71.56 millimeters is the inside diameter. And so now we're going to be running this 55 millimeter restrictor for the test this weekend. And as you can see, that's a pretty big difference. So let's get those lined up a little bit better. Yeah, so there's two throttle bodies. So we've got, we'll have two of them that we're installing, and they go behind these little spacers, which these spacers are so that the throttle body doesn't hit the restrictor. And that's just kind of how that's got to work. So our cameras, had the camera hanging on the wall. Turns out I had a bad SD card. Lost it all. So, it's the afternoon now. All right, so we've been taking people out in the black car here and picked up a screw in one of the tires early on. So we've been stealing the tires. There's a race going on right now too. So we've been stealing tires from the red car to put on the black car so that we can take them both out. And got everything done, and we're going out for our last test session with the red car. And I'm gonna try and get the camera set up inside of it so you guys can go along for a ride.
All right, here we go.
sometimes cars break. Yeah, I'm good. So as you guys saw in the in-car video, lost all forward drive by the, that was exiting turn 7 or 8 according to Lee. I haven't even looked at the video yet, but you guys will have already seen it by the time you're seeing this part of the video. And I did a quick check, and I think it stripped the ring and pinion, and it kind of seems like we get about usually about 5 races out of a ring and pinion, and which doesn't seem like a lot, but with the power this thing makes, and you know, you're driving over the curbs quite a bit with cars like this, and you know, it's just tough on the rear end. So we've got to maybe try to figure out something different. There is a 9-inch conversion available for these cars that I've used in another twin turbo drag car Viper, and we could replace what's in there, but the gears for the Viper diffs are kind of getting hard to find, because we run a 331 gear, and the 331s are very hard to find. So probably going to try, and if we do a 9-inch, we can do a 330, 340, 350. The 331 has been a perfect gear for us as far as for a lot of tracks, like you're right at the top of 4th gear when you pop the rev limiter before you catch to the corner. So we're gonna take it back to the shop, pull the diff out of it, see if that's what it is. I'm pretty sure that's what it is. So, but that'll be the end of this video. Appreciate you guys watching. Please subscribe to the channel, share it around with anybody you think would like this stuff. And we've got some more stuff coming. We see we got another video with the golf cart coming next couple of days, and yeah, then we've got something else on the horizon that I think you guys will like. So thanks again for watching. See you next time.